Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety. Unplug the sprayer and relieve system pressure, then put on gloves and eye protection. Once done, empty the cup and strain paint through a 100-200 mesh filter to catch debris. This prevents immediate clogs. Next, remove the nozzle, fluid needle, and inline filter, placing each part in order on a clean towel so you can track orientation. You do this to isolate the problem and to make cleaning and inspection efficient without guessing which piece goes where. Now you move into the detailed work. Inspect the nozzle hole for dried paint and use a soft brush and a pick to free stubborn deposits. Then apply 30-40 psi compressed air through the fluid passages to clear residual material. Hold the nozzle backed away to avoid launching fragments. Check the needle tip for burrs and examine seals and O-rings for cracks. Replace any compromised parts. Soak brass nozzles and small parts in warm water or the manufacturer's solvent for 10 to 15 minutes, which loosens buildup without damage. You finish by reassembling parts in the original order, hand-tightening fittings and ensuring O-rings seat properly. Do not over-tighten. Once assembled, set pressure to a starting point recommended in the manual and spray onto cardboard to evaluate pattern and atomization. Adjust tip size, fluid flow, and air pressure iteratively until you get an even fan. Record the settings for future jobs. If the pattern remains inconsistent after cleaning, the key troubleshooting tip is to replace the nozzle and needle set and warn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.